Hi, what's up guys, Elric Garrault here. This is a new video on the channel and today I'm officially announcing my research for sponsorship. Yes indeed, through my process of preparing all the next expedition and especially the journey that will come in 2024, I need to get financement. I need to get contacts with specific enterprise company in order to be able to maintain my next adventure, my next journey on the world more easier than being alone, you know. So if I have to present myself, my name is Elric Garrault. I'm 21 years old, young French man starting to be and willing to be basically the next big explorer within this world. And I'm starting a few years ago in college at the University of Paris-Créteil doing the Administrative and International Exchanges program. I learn a lot about international exchanges, basically commercial stuff, and it was really enriching, and now I'm willing to be and start my career as a professional explorer. And for all the companies and enterprise willing to contact with me, to have a contact with me to, I don't know, get more information about myself, you all have my information down below in the description of the video. You can get a link fully to any kind of social networks and also a link to my own professional email. So don't forget to just click below if you want to have any kind of contact with me. And for all the other people willing to get to basically help me within my projects, especially for next year's exploration, next year's journey that will take a lot of time to do because traveling around the world is really complicated. You can basically just help me through the cagnotte down below in the description. It's like it will help me a lot for this kind of situation, so go for it. And if you want to know quickly about myself, about what I've done so far within my debut as a professional explorer, I've made a lot of hiking treks within the Fontainebleau area, which is a forest near to Paris. I've made 100 kilometers through in 3 days basically through the northern part of France, the coast of Normandy, the French coast of Normandy. I've made a ton of stuff. I've made also a full walk to to Paris from my location, which is only 30 kilometers in 5 hours. So pretty stunning, yeah. And I've made also some climb through the mountain, the high peak mountain of Jura, which is 1.7 kilometer high. It was really great. I'm still willing to do a lot of exploration for the next few weeks and next few months with a lot of people. Traveling back to the Jura chain mountain in order to finish what I've done and what I've started, basically. To go to the Pyrenees chain mountain in the southeast part of France, basically. And I have tons of few stuff, some exploration and full survival part that will start in some few weeks in the western part of France, near the coast. It will be great to survive in this really harsh environment in the forest. So I have just a ton of stuff to do, I'm willing to do. And to know what I'm going to do next year in May 2024 to July 2024, it depends when I'm starting it. I got like a little range of notion to just prepare myself to know if I will be able to quit France in May or in July. So I got like full 3 months to do whatever I want before leaving. So this is gonna be a biggest journey so far. I'm all traveling around the world, basically through Europe, Middle East and Asia. A whole process of few years of just walking and survive in a difficult environment, but an opportunity to me to get contact with people, basically cultures and a civilization that never be able to face, because right now I never really get out of France, so it will be a new opportunity, and being able to sponsor me will be a little step for me, of course. But it's still huge. It will help me for a lot to get especially contact, which is, I think, the most important things in this kind of situation. So yeah, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to be the next explorer, the next big explorer on the world. And so yeah, if you want to support me, don't forget to check the page and down below in this description. Yeah, also you can see on your screen basically, in order to support me by donating. You don't have to donate a lot, and as long for any kind of enterprise company that will be and would want to get contact with me in order to build together something, there's all my social networks and my emails down in the description of the video. So thank you all, see you soon. It was Elric Garrault. Bye bye.